We are putting together the pencil shaker card. I have all the pieces laid out here before me. I have already put in my window for the shaker. So the main part of it is just these 3 pieces. I stamped enjoy every moment, and to get that where I wanted, I just placed this one layer down so I could see where I wanted that to be, and I stamped my stamp. I have also already applied my foam adhesive. I am using these little foam balls, and they're a little bit thick, so I did double my foam tape. If you're using something flat, I think 1 layer of foam tape should work fine. So the first thing I'm going to do is adhere this bottom so that I can then put in my sprinkles. And this is a generic foam tape, so sometimes it's tricky getting the backing off. I found that Uline, a company online, sells mostly packaging goods. They have a brand of foam adhesive that is very affordable, but it is hard to get the backing off. It's not hard, it's a little tricky compared to the 3M foam tape, which is very easy to get the backing off of. So I just rub my nail back and forth against the corner to get it started, which is why my nails always break. Okay. It's super sticky, so I have to be very careful when I line this up. Can't get my finger off of it. Okay. And there. And I did not do a good job lining that up. So what I will have to do is I will get some talcum powder. My finger's taking off a lot of the sticky, but I'll put some talcum powder on that to take the stickiness out of the sticky. And then I'm going to put in some of my little beads. They're not even beads, they're styrofoam balls. Teeny tiny. I don't want these to escape their packaging. And then I will glue on this top layer. You want to make sure you not only get the glue all the way to the edge, but also the edge around the window, because you want to make sure that that is sealed well. already forgot about the foam balls. Throw these back in there. So be careful not to pick your card up like I just tried to do. And then we just have the top of the pencil head. I've already done all of my inking. The part that took the longest was actually applying the foam tape to the back of the bottom layer. And there you have the pencil shaker card. Quick and simple.